Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since we last shared a new recipe video, but I've got some really exciting news for you today. Our English Start to Keto ebook is finally available. It has a 6-step plan to get you started with keto and intermittent fasting, 2 detailed menu plans where I take you through an entire day from breakfast and snacks to lunch and dinner, and 30 new plant-based keto recipes that are very easy to make with ingredients you can find in any supermarket. If you'd like to have a look, I'll post a link down below. Now, today's chocolate almond butter fudge bites are one of my favorite sweet snacks from the ebook. They especially helped me during the first weeks that I transitioned from a high carb diet to a low carb, high fat keto lifestyle, because I suffered from a lot of sugar cravings. And if you ever feel a strong urge for sweet snacks, definitely have a look at today's blog post where I share more about what could be causing these cravings and how you can easily overcome them. I'll put the link down below as well. For now, I leave you with these delicious chocolatey treats, a recipe video we recorded around Christmas last year, so right at the beginning of my personal keto journey. I hope you'll enjoy them. Just ignore the New Year's intro, and I'll talk to you soon. Happy New Year! I hope you've had a good start of the new year. Since so many of you have been asking for more ketogenic recipes that are high in healthy fats and low in carbohydrates, I've got another one for you today. Not a savory one this time, but a sweet treat. We are going to make chocolate almond butter fudge bites. They only have 5 ingredients and they're perfect to beat sugar cravings. So, are you excited to give them a go? Let's do this! To make 16 of these delicious chocolate almond butter fudge bites, you'll only need a handful of ingredients and a food processor. Start by putting 1.5 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut into your food processor fitted with an S-blade and mix until finely ground. This will take about 20 seconds. Then add 1 cup of smooth almond butter, a great source of healthy fats and also really high in vitamin E, so it's excellent for glowing skin. Next up, add 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, or you could use ground flaxseed as well, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder for a chocolatey flavor, a nice pinch of sea salt for flavor balance, a few drops of pure liquid stevia to sweeten the fudge bites, and if you wish, you can add half a tablespoon of xylitol as well. That's a natural sweetener made from hardwood. It won't spike your blood sugar levels like regular sugar will, and it will even help to prevent cavities, so it's great for your teeth and your gums as well. Okay, now it's time for your food processor to turn these into a delicious fudgy dough. Et voila! Super easy, right? Now, this dough is quite soft because of the coconut and the almond butter, so if you have trouble shaping the dough into balls, you can put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes to harden. Then, using a small cookie scoop or a tablespoon measurer, scoop out small balls of the dough and roll them in the toppings of your choice. Here I've got shredded coconut, finely chopped almonds, and ground cacao nibs. Ta-da! Our chocolate almond butter fudge bites are ready to be tasted. These smell like chocolate heaven! And you can make really tasty variations with peanut butter, tahini, pumpkin seed butter.
Shut up, let me taste one.
Alright. If you like chocolate, you like almond butter, and you're a fan of coconut, you have to try these. They're so rich and flavorful. What do you think?
I think they are also a perfect snack to keep you energized
and satisfied. We'd love to hear what you think of these chocolate almond butter fudge bites. So definitely leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're not already subscribed,
Please do.
Hit the subscribe button. We have really fun recipes coming up. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you'll enjoy these chocolatey balls, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.